Creating your own drum kits in MPC1 is a very straightforward process. So let's dive straight in. So first thing we want to do is make sure we're in our drum mode, and under our drum program, we'll give this a name. So we'll call this MPC kit. And once you've named the kit, press do it, and we'll go back to our main menu. Now let's create some colors on our pads. So we'll go to menu, hit pad color, and we're going to set this to single mode. And I'm going to use red for my kicks, yellow for my snares, orange for my hats. I'll use a blue for some of the percussion, and then purple for the melodics. Let's hit default, and now we press main, and now let's press assign samples. Now any samples in memory will show up here. Now we can access our browser, and we can go to our factory library. We can also access our expansion packs just by hit the expansion browser, and now you can search all of the samples here. If you hit places, you can access any external drive with samples. So we're going to go to our factory content browser and go down to samples, and now in our search directory we're going to type in kick, and this will bring up all of our kick drums. So now we can use the touch UI and search through all of the sounds available. So once you find a sound, just hit the pad and press load. We can also search by genre. So if we type in hip hop, this will now shortlist all of the hip hop sounds that we can choose from our factory library. So we can now go through, look at all of these snares, claps, and again, hit the pad, press load, and it will populate the sounds that you choose straight onto the pads. Now let's have a look for some melodic samples. So we're going to scroll all the way down until we find melodics, and now we're going to add these. And then we'll finish off with some percussion samples. So here we are. Again, press the pad, hit load, and they will populate instantly. So now that we created our kit, we'll go to our main menu, and now you can hear all the samples. Now if we press program edit, we can create mute groups for certain sounds. So if we want to choke our hi-hats, we can group these to number 1, which will simulate an open hat. And then for our melodics, so they don't overlap, we'll put them onto group 2. So as you play each one, it will mute the other pad.